Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Sonia for those who do not know, and in today's video I wanted to do another weekly vlog. Today is August 7th or 8th if I'm not mistaken. I know it's a Monday, I know that, but I'm out by the pool at my apartment. I'm just enjoying some sun, and I figured that I'd bring you guys along with what I'm doing for the week. So let's get into the video. I'm really just gonna relax by the pool. Hope you enjoyed the little montage in the beginning, and yeah, let's get into the week. Ignore the stuff underneath my eye. I slept with mascara in and I didn't even really wipe it off. So I washed my face but didn't get that off. So ignore that, but I will see you guys when I get back upstairs. See ya. Alright, we are currently on an evening stroll in Buffalo Bayou, which is a little park here. Not a little, a pretty big park here in Houston. And we could not find parking, so we parked so far, but we're here for a walk. So now we're gonna walk and enjoy our time. Hello, good afternoon. Ignore the giant bat pimple on my face. We're just gonna pretend that it's a beauty mark because I even tried to cover it up and we're still left with this. But anyway, you guys aren't here for that. I have been MIA for a couple of days. I worked yesterday and the day before, but you guys saw me on the day before. I think that was Tuesday, and I ended up cooking a meal at home. I really didn't say much because I was dog tired, and I know I only work 3 days a week, but boy, oh boy. Literally, nursing takes a lot out of you, so even if you have an easy day. So what I did is I ended up cooking and just showing you guys a little bit of that, and my food snapped. Literally, I go crazy in the kitchen every time, okay? Every time. But that is what happened. I was really gone for those 2 days, and yesterday it rained really bad in Houston. We had a tornado warning and everything, so Darren ended up coming to pick me up from work, so I didn't have to wait at the shuttle stop in the rain. And then I was gonna film us going to Mott's Pizza because we decided to go get Mott's Pizza, but I didn't because again I was tired, and by the time we got home, because no one knows how to drive in the rain in Houston, it was really late. So I literally ate and went to sleep, watched some Brave with Storm. She just got a bath, but she's all tired. But that is what I ended up doing, and today is now Thursday, August 11th, and it is 2 p.m. But I'm dressed, ready to go. Storm has had a bath. Darren's getting dressed now, and I think we're going over to his parents to hang out there, so I'll see how much I film of what we're gonna do. I know tomorrow we're gonna go out for a walk. Darren and I are really just working on getting out, getting some fresh air, exercising more. It doesn't have to be all the time in the gym because I really need to get better at that, but we're just gonna go for a walk, and we did that at Buffalo Bayou Park in Houston on Sunday or Monday. But yeah, so that is pretty much what the plan is for today. This may be a 2-week vlog because I don't really know how much content I have, and I don't just want an 8-minute video, so we'll see how it goes. And I think that we're spending the night over there, so yeah, that's gonna be the plan, and I would just pick up the camera when it's time. But forgive me for not filming all of the days, and it's hard when I film at work because I'm either wearing my work shirt or my work badge, and I don't really know what to say without getting in trouble at my job, so I really just don't even vlog on my days that I go to work, and I hope you guys understand. But I will see you whenever I figure out what I'm doing to pick up the camera. There was my nice little 2-minute rant. All right, see you. Hi guys, today is now Friday the 12th I think, because I think I work tomorrow. No, I know I work tomorrow, but we haven't really been filming much just because we went to what's it called, that Australian kind of place you saw. That's where we went out to eat. The food was okay. I literally have not been there, I don't think, ever, but we went just because we could not figure out what to eat. But now we have just been hanging out. We literally watched a movie last night that I fell asleep on because I fall asleep on all movies. So we were watching the new Buzz Lightyear movie because we are big Disney fans around here. But I also got some things from TJ Maxx that I will show you because I ran in quick because I forgot something important when you sleep over people's houses when you're there for a whole day. So I went to pick that up, but I saw 2 more things, so I'll show you that when I get home. But we are going to Texas Day, Brazil, I believe. And the reason why we are is because we just all want to go out to eat, but we have to stop at home to drop off Storm because Storm obviously can't go to dinner with us, and I need to change because no, not appropriate for Texas Day, Brazil, because it's kind of like Fogo de Chao if you guys have ever been there, but we are getting ready to go, so I gotta hurry up because they're telling me to come on now. So see ya. So Darren and I have decided, Storm, look at her, cute little face, cannot go anywhere. She cannot go to people's houses until she is trained, because I feel like she was almost trained at home, and she came over to Darren's parents and she acted a fool. She embarrassed me. So yeah, look at her, just doing these people's house wrong. So she has a little booster seat here in the back that we have to makeshift because I haven't really been knowing how to put it in right, but she won't really be using it very often until she gets her life together, because my girl's been tripping today and yesterday, and now she's looking all sad, but she's getting ready to go home. So hopefully she gets back on track, and until Storm is ready to act right, she cannot come over to Grandma and Grandpa's house or go over to other people's houses, because I can't have her embarrassing me like that. I'm a better mom than that. So there's that. But Darren, he went to go get something from the house, but here she is, and he's gonna hold her, or we're gonna put her in a little car seat. She's tired because she acted crazy. That's why she's tired. Storm Rodriguez Funches acted nuts today. But we're about to drive home, and I'm gonna get dressed real quick because it's already 3:47 and I work tomorrow, so it would be nice if I could get to sleep at a decent time. So yeah, see you guys then, for real this time, for real. Hello, we are currently on our way to Texas Day, Brazil. We look a lot better to be ready to go to dinner. Here's Darren, here's myself. We are getting ready to go eat at the Texas Day, Brazil, and then I don't really think we have any more plans after this, only because I do work tomorrow on Saturday. I work the weekend this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, so I just really hope we enjoy our meal. I'm gonna get the salad bar because if you guys know, I don't eat pork or beef, so it don't make sense to get the meat bar when I'm just gonna take one of the chickens that Darren gets and eats it, because it doesn't make sense. So that is what we are getting ready to do. I really hope that dinner is really yummy. It's kind of like Fogo de Chao, and we've only ever been to Fogo de Chao before, and that was when I ate meat. So yeah, let's see how it goes, and I will see you guys when I get to the restaurant. See ya! Okay, so we have made it to City Center. That is where this place is, Texas Day, Brazil. And if you guys know where City Center is in Houston, it's actually really, really nice. And they have a Nike store here. They have so many great stores, a Z Gallery, all that good stuff, a movie theater. So if you're in the Houston area, be sure to check out this area because it is really, really nice. And I really hope that the food's good. Smile, babe. They do have a grilled shrimp option, so I probably ate 12 shrimp. And then they also have a garlic parmesan chicken drumstick leg thing, Wasn't a huge fan of that, but the shrimp went crazy. And then obviously you get the salad bar. So that is what I did. It was really good. There was some charred pineapple. I feel like it had cinnamon on it. They did their thing. But everyone else ate all the meats, and they kept bringing the giant meat skewers by me, and I'm the main one who doesn't eat the meat. But I had to keep saying, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you, no thank you. They had so many meats, I felt so bad for all those animals. But that's besides the point. We are currently headed... Too many. And then there was one that had this tower that was like probably from the top of this car down to my thigh, and was like, do you want some of this? No! I don't want the whole cow! But that's besides the point. Literally besides the point. But currently we are headed on our way home to go home to our baby, who's probably crying because she misses us. And I work tomorrow, so this is probably going to be the end of this video. I know it was a short one this week, but we will have a longer one next week when I have more things to do because my friend is coming to town. But that is it with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Comment down below other videos you want to see. Like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, beautiful. I blew the kiss. See ya. Okay, so I thought that this video was over, but it's actually not, because I just realized that I forgot to show you the stuff that I got from Marshall's Home Goods thing. And also what came for Storm is her, where's my address? Right here. Is her baby stroller. So because we live in Houston, it is really, really hot. Storm is not built for the heat. Her breed is not built for the heat. So we just decided to get her a baby stroller, and she's gonna look so cute on it when we go for walks. So now we don't have to leave her because she's still not trained on a leash yet. So like, it's kind of hard to bring her places when it needs a leash because she's not there. We're working on it, but she's not fully there. So we got her that stroller. I'm not gonna take it out the box now, but it's going to be so cute for her. Let me show you the things that I got from Marshall's, and then we'll really be done with this video. For real, for real, for real. All right, so then I also got this Mickey Mouse backpack because I work with kids in the NICU, and I just need a new work bag, and I just figured it'd be so cute. And plus my other like JanSport bag is looking pretty dirty, so I can't be that type of person. And then also I saw that they had these pajamas. I'm a silk pajama girl. I love silk pajamas. I will wear silk pajamas for the rest of my life. I actually got rid of all of my pajamas that weren't silk, but I just thought that this was so cute. I'm probably gonna wear these tonight with the little gold band and these stripes. Just looks like luxury, and when you sleep in silk, you feel like luxury. I have my silk sheets and my silk pajamas, and I just am slipping and sliding in the bed, but it's so worth it. So now for real, I'm closing out this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. You heard this whole spill before, so see you in either Wednesday or next week's vlog. I'm going through a lot, so kind of just ignore if I'm not on my regular scheduled videos and enjoy the ones that do come out. All right, see ya.